Bitcoin price and Ethereum. Will October be a bullish month of October? The market watch. Let's talk more about this because this could be some big time news in the month of October. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, October bullish month. Let's see. Now, Justin Bennett, a well-known cryptocurrency trader, has released his Bitcoin playbook for the month of October. Now, this is what he's saying. As long as 18,700, I'm going to zoom in a little bit, holds, this is my Bitcoin playbook through October. The analyst predicts that the flagship cryptocurrency will stay over 18,700 throughout the coming month. Now, based on the past performance, October could be a good month to invest in Bitcoin. Market watchers for cryptocurrency have noticed that October is typically a good month for the currency. Due to the growth from the previous year, early in November, it hit a record high of $66,000. Now, on to this year. October effect could drive uphold the crypto. Now, here's the Bitcoin monthly returns. You see the information right here throughout the last 4 years, including 2022. And we're about right here so far, 2.89%. Look at last year around this time, 39.93%. Man, so that's the monthly right there. So Bitcoin performance in October has been a positive 8 times out of the last 12 months. And Bitcoin, I'm going to go ahead and highlight this, has shown positive performance in 8 of the past 12 months with an average return of around 30%. So far, 66% of investments made in October have yielded a profit. So if you look at these last 4 months, October seems to be historically more of a bullish month according to the history that we're seeing here. So we'll see what happens this month, October 2022. Will it be a bullish month? Well, history has said it. It has been a bullish month. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video.